letter.
Okay.
P.
Correct.
C.
Correct.
2.
Wow.
6.
Yes.
9.
Yes.
4.
Yes.
3.
Yeah.
And 6.
Oh my God. It's
Tama ba?
correct, mga ka-RSP.
Yes.
Yan.
I'm not sure how
Ayan yung
much that
serial
is.
number.
I'm not
Ayan,
sure how
oh.
much that is, sir. Pero think of the denomination. Isipin mo yung denomination.
Yeah.
Naisip mo yung denomination?
Okay.
Oo.
Yes, medyo malaki siya. Am I right in saying that you are holding a 1,000 peso bill?
Oh,
Yes!
correct! Ang galing. Thank you, Prof. Ed. Wow!
Sobrang hirap nung gawin. As in, 15, 16, 20 years ko yung pinag-aralan.
Wow.
But this is the hardest part talaga.
Ang tanggalin siguro ang
Yung
duct tape.
pagtanggal ng duct tape sa
Grabe.
pagmumukha ko.
Pero in fairness, ang galing niya. Palakpakan naman natin.
Thank
si
you.
Justin.
Wala namang sirit sa inyo.
Wala naman.
Okay.
Feeling ko kahit lagyan ko ng tubig o laway, hindi siya mag-flow. Joke lang. Thank you so much. Uy, may kilay ka pa.